Hello guys, I'm very excited to share with you this new tool called as GoalChain. GoalChain enables you to have a goal-oriented conversation with your large language model, or it could be used for LLM to LLM goal-oriented conversation. It manages the whole workflow, and in my opinion, this tool is best suited where some customer interaction or some customer facing application is involved and you want to use the power of large language models to stay on the course of achieving your goal of selling some service or product to the customer. So if that is what you're looking for, then stay tuned. We will be installing this goal chain on our local system, and then I will also be showing you what exactly it does and how it does it. Once you understand the gist of it, it is very easy to use. Also, it uses a light LLM under the hood. If you don't know what light LLM is, I already have done few videos on it, so please search the channels. Also, for now it uses OpenAI's GPT-4, but if you are using light LLM under the hood, you can, with some of the hacking, you can use local models. But for now, that is not supported as far as I can see. So what happens is that essentially what we are doing we are chaining goals together to create a graph, and we are guiding the users through those graphs using the large language models. So goal chain can be used to create goal oriented agents for customer service tasks, surveys, SMS appointment check-ins, voicemail systems, personal home assistants, agent to agent conversation, where you set different goals for each to see how they interact, and many other things. So let's go dive deep into it, and I'm going to take you to my local system where I will show you how it works. So this is my VS Code editor where I already have this code. There are two things which you need to do in order to get started. First and foremost, just install this GoalChain package by doing pip install GoalChain, and then set your OpenAI's API key. If you don't have it, just go to platform.openai.com and then you can get it from there. It's a paid option. You would have to pay them just, I think, to get started. Just drop $10 in their account and you should get an OpenAI's API key. Second up, we are importing this GoalChain from the GoalChain package along with few other things, and I will explain what exactly is happening there. So in this code, what I'm doing it, I am just telling you the end-to-end example. So first we have imported it. In this example, we are going to create an AI assistant whose goal is to collect information from the customer about their desired product order. So whatever the information we want from the customer, we will be defining it in this field. And then this is the class which we are going to define, product order goal, which will specify what exactly is the product customer wants to buy, customer's email, and the quantity of product customer wants to buy. And then in order to validate the quantity that customer has indeed entered integer or number and not some other value, we are just using this validator function, which is doing nothing. It is just casting the input value with the int and then checking if it is not int, then it is giving the error. Then we have another class which is handling order cancellation, that if some order customer wants to cancel. And then you can see that another cool thing about it is that field object name here, such as product name, are passed directly to the LLM prompt so that they are part of the prompt engineering task, and it will make the response of the large language model more intelligent. Now, another thing is that I just want to spend a bit more time on this class because this is, in my opinion, gist of the matter, and whatever workflow you are creating, you should more focus on this class. So in this one, we are just defining a goal with the product name. So for example, the goal is passed to this. The goal could be customer wants to buy or customer just wants to cancel the order. So for example, customer changes their mind, and we can simply create another class where we can say order cancel goal. So we have just labeled it. So for this one, we are just catering for two scenarios where customer is ordering a product or canceling a product. So by using the same product order goal, this is one goal we have defined. We have just given it our own label, like you can give it any name. Product order goal is to obtain information on the order to be made. And then this is a opener, this is a prompt. Customer will see that I see you are trying to order a product, how can I help you? And then if it doesn't know, it will just say that ask the user to contact sales team at this. And then if customer wants to cancel the order, this is a goal we have defined, that cancel current order. This is a goal in the natural language, and this is the opening line customer will see. And if LLM or our goal chain doesn't know, it is going to redirect it to the customer support. And confirmation is false, that LLM is not going to ask for annoyingly from customer to confirm again and again and again. So that is what we are doing here. Now proceeding further, you will see that there are few connect function like product order goal connect. So what we are doing here is we are connecting the goal with the user goal, and we are handing it over. Now primarily what is happening here is that we are defining an internal label, and we are chaining it together. So for example, if you look at this connect syntax, this is something where a model is being asked to connect this goal, order cancel goal, with the user's goal, and we have defined it into natural language, and handover is true, and then keep message is also true. So primarily handover is simply ensuring that the conversation flows smoothly, and sometimes you may want a canned response, other times not, so it just avoids that. Okay, so we have connected the product order goal with order cancel goal, and order cancel goal with product order goal, so that the it doesn't get stuck into the loop. And then we are simply calling this goal chain and then printing the response. So let me first run this and you will see what is happening. Just running it locally on my Windows system. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go. So you see it has returned as a dictionary object, and you can see that the response of the model is right according to our goal. Our initial goal was ordering the product, and you can see that the dictionary response says that this is a message, and message is from the LLM. It is saying that I see you are trying to order a product, how can I help you? And this is the goal it has defined. So let me uncomment the workflow which I have created, and of course it will depend upon your own use case how you define the workflow. So let me run this again. Let's wait for it. So it has, the first goal was to order the product, and model has said that I see you're trying to order a product. And then because I have said it, yes, hi, I would like to buy a vacuum cleaner, you can just replace any product of your choice or service. And then model is saying great choice, could I have your email address to get started? And then you, in the next workflow, you are giving it your email. Let me clear the screen to make it more visible. Let's wait for it. There you go again, ordering a product, and then great choice, asking for email, and we have provided the email here. You see how we are walking towards a goal with the LLM, and we are also directing user, we are also directing our LLM, keeping everything nice and clean. And then model is asking which vacuum cleaner you would like to order. So let me save it, let me clear it, and then let me run it again. You see this time, so once it has the model, it is asking perfect, how many vacuum cleaner? And then at this time, let's see, let's say that customer has changed his or her mind. So now the goal is that actually I change my mind, cancel this order. Let's see what this does now. Let's wait for it to print everything. You see, again, it is going through the whole workflow. It is not deviating from it. This is the beauty of the goal chain, where everything is working right according to the script. So because the goal has changed here and both the goals are connected, so this is from product order, it has been handed over to the cancellation order by the goal chain, and now it is asking the may I know for the reason for cancellation. So if I just take you above, you see in, so we have, this is a cancel order, this is what we are telling it. How good is that? And if you look above, this is a reason for cancellation order optional. So this is what we have defined, and our LLM is following the script because of the goal chain. This is the beauty of it. Now let's say customer has changed the mind again. Now he wants to buy it. Let's see what, let me clear the screen. And by the way, these are the real world thing. These are the life of these sales people. Anyway, so you see that it is again following the same script. Again, customer change the goal, customer again change the goal. There you go. So now it is saying in that case how many of this you want to. For example, let's ask a question about vacuum cleaner, which is not the job of the sales. Let's see what it does in that case. I'll just make it a bit bigger. You see, let's wait for it. Again the same flow. And you see the wording changes every time a bit. You can of course change the randomness, creativity by it. There you so there you see. So to assist better with your query on the vacuum cleaner quality, I recommend you contact our sales team. That is what we have told in our workflow, and that is what it is doing. Now let me order 500 of vacuum cleaners. Let's see what it does. Let me clear the screen because that is a very unreasonable request. Let's wait for it to print everything. So you see, there you go. Now it is saying order of 500 vacuum cleaner is quite substantial. Can you please confirm you would like to provide? So yes, so maybe you say yes, you say no, whatever you like. So if you say yes, it is going to send it to you by uh, printing it out. So maybe you can just add another line here. You can say no, no, I'm kidding, just send me one. Okay, let's see if it is able to do it. Let me clear the screen and then I'll run it again. There you go. So it says thank you for the update. To confirm you would like to order 1 unit of this, and the email is this, and then we appreciate your purchase. From here your order is set to be shipped within next to 1-3 business days, and you can of course keep talking with it, and then it is going to give you some response. So now here you can say that I don't want to buy anything. I was just free and open this chat. How? Let's talk about birds. Okay. Let me clear the screen. Let's see what model does here. There you go. Now it is saying for discussion on topic outside our order process, I would recommend finding a community forum or engaging with relevant social media group. If you decide to proceed with any purchases in the future, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day. So it's very patient. That is good. But you can see that how good is that to create a workflow in simple Python code, which you can also find in their GitHub repo, and I will also drop the link to it. So really good project, very pleasant one. I liked it a lot. That's it, guys. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.